This is JP Hrisoulas doing the etch on the welded wire blade project. The first video did not turn out that great. I'm recutting this. You missed me basically degreasing the blade with acetone and a paper towel. The etchant here I'm using is ferric chloride. It's a very mild etchant when compared to, let's say, nitric acid or hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid or aqua regia. Anything that you can get a reaction with a metal with and can actually dissolve some metal will etch a blade. This etchant here, as I said, is rather mild. I know people that etch with coffee, very strong coffee. I haven't tried that because I don't like the smell of coffee. But this here will react with the carbon and the manganese in the blade, as well as not attacking the chrome and the nickel in the stainless steel heat treating foil. It should come out really nice and bright, almost silvery, unscathed from the acid action of the etchant. I believe that a slow etchant is better than anything. I will discuss this at length later when we get to that point in a different project, but this is where we are right now. This has to etch for about 45 minutes. Let's see if I can get some close-up of the, yeah, you can see the stainless in there. That's why I put it in there, give it like that, you know, break up the pattern. You can see some pattern in there. So it's going to go back in the etchant for about another half an hour or so. I'll be back out to check it. Until then, that's basically the way it is. Thank you so much. This is a short episode because there's not much to talk about. The next one will be discussing the grip. That will be done later on this evening. And I'll also show the finished blade there at that time. So if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscription button. If you enjoyed this, as short as it is, please hit the like button. Next installment will be shortly. Thank you so much. May the wise Lord bless and keep you. Bye-bye.